As I mentioned that this is one level where earlier buyers have stepped up, and this is the location where prices are facing difficulty to move down. So let's see if it would be able to cross these levels and move down further, or if it just reverses back. In the hourly time frame, prices have just slammed through all the supports, and they came to this level which was 17,612. And in my yesterday's video I have mentioned that this is the intraday 60-minute time frame support level. There are chances that prices might react when they will come down here. And in the first candle today, prices move down, they come here, and buyers just jump onto it, and they move the prices back to the resistance level. And since then, prices have been rejected at these resistance zone, and they are moving down. So, in the intraday time frames, we have, 60-minute, and we have this 15-minute time frame behind this option table, and this 5-minute time frame, and they all are, pointing downtrend. So, and that is why I have bought the, puts here. So let's see what happens. Prices are continuously, facing difficulty to move down at this support level. This was expected, and this is what is happening. So let's see what happens further. I'm making this live video so that I can show that how in the live market how things work, how you can read each candle, and with the help of other tools like support resistance, moving averages, right, and the bar by bar analysis, the candlestick patterns. So how you can make decision in the live market. So let's see, I'm still in the waiting mode. So with this, the price pattern it is forming, and with the live market now it is very much clear. What professionals say, that trading is a patience game, and you need to be very patient once you are in a trade, because you cannot move the market. You just, after your analysis, once you moved into a trade, and once you are into a position, then you can just wait either for your target to come or your stop to get hit. So patience helps a lot in trading. So this is one thing that I think every professional trader should work on. Uh, I think that this video will be little long, because we are not sure that how much time prices would take to move down, or either to stop hit, or they will move down, how much time they're gonna take. So probably we'll edit the video, uh, you know so that I can just show you the main crux of this live trading, instead of the entire video. So in the morning, when prices open, Bank Nifty was, I guess it was around 6 or 700 points down. Now it also came all the way back up along with the Nifty, but now it is and it was just few hours back it was around 130 points down. Now it is again around 240 to 50 points down. So, as Bank Nifty, will push the prices down, that will also fuel, the selling in the Nifty. So, because they are correlated. Uh, so let's see what happens. We will not wait for the prices to completely come down to these support level. As soon as it will enter into this area, which is around 17,730 level, at this area, that would be the area that where I might close the trade based on the current pattern at that time, because it would not be wise to wait for the prices to come down, because there are chances that as soon as the prices moved into the buyer's zone, buyers may stepped up again, and they move the prices back up again. So cutting your position just before the support zone would also be good. So prices are reversing, I think. They got stabilized here, and they were unable to move down. Okay, they are just reversing, and I think it would be these levels, which are around 17,840. Right now it is 17,829.30 level. and we have some resistance at 40 level. If that level also got breached, we will close the position. They have some kind of, they are facing some kind of resistance because we have the price resistance also, and we have the pressure from the moving average as well. But I think if it will just easily cross it, then that would be an indication to just come out of the trade. I think today is more like a wait and watch kind of a day. But because I found the a nice pattern here, so I thought that it would be a good trade. However, they are facing difficulty in moving down because of the support. So currently I'm having around 1600 rupee loss. Let's see what happens. Looks like a reversal now. So after in a range, moving in a range, we have a breakout, but that got failed, and prices moved back to the downside. And now there is a point to be noted. It's an important point for all of you to note that after a failure, prices move to the other side even with a faster speed. and that's what we can see. This is what has happened here. So prices were in an uptrend, right? We have breakout failure, and then we have a very furious red bar to the downside, and this is what is happening here again. So we have a breakout that got failed. It made the second attempt that also got failed, and now prices have just crossed the support area, and now they are moving to the downside. So there isn't enough support. uh, so my expectation is that price should come down further, and now we have the failures as well. So let's see what happens. My expectation was that when prices will move, they will move, it should move down with pretty much, with pretty ease, but that is not the case, it seems, because they are again facing the support, and they are facing difficulty to move down. So in few minutes this candle will get closed. So let's review the trade once the bar gets closed, and then decide that what should we do. So now in few seconds this bar will get closed, and we have the second another bar. So if that bar closes at its low, probably will continue. Otherwise, I think it would be better to close the trade because it is now facing the support here. Now they might reverse and might come down. We are not sure what will happen. But based on our analysis, let's decide what to do. Let the bar get closed first. Okay, I think no, in one single bar it has given up. It has moved down. No, it uh, pretty decently. It has moved down in one single bar. So I think it would be better to close the trade. We are in a 2000 no 2,600 700 rupees profit. So it is good. Let's close the trade and book the profit now. Okay, so I have closed the trade, and prices might move down further. We are not sure, but based on our analysis, uh, I think it was a pretty okay scalping trade. So let's close the video here. Hope you have enjoyed it. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Bye for now. Okay, so time is around 3:29. So markets are going to close in a few seconds. So we have closed the trade here. Sorry, we opened the trade here and we closed the trade at this bar here. And then after it, prices moved in the range and they came back to the same location where we expected it to come. And prices are rallied back from the same location. So that means that we have the support here. So all in all, we closed the trade and prices moved down further to retest the support area. And this is what we have expected. However, looking at the size of the bar, we closed our trade here. So this was, I have just fast forwarded the video to the, at the around 3:29 just to show you that how the prices are going to close. So hope you have enjoyed the video. Uh, we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.